Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how to create 3D animation video online for free. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we are back to our topic, how to create 3D animation video online for free. 3D animated videos are gaining massive popularity these days. Its audience is increasing by the day, starting from kids to even adults. 3D animation videos are enjoyed by everybody, but how are they created if you ask? You can use animation software like Blender to create amazing animated videos. There are various processes involved while creating 3D animation software like texturing, lighting and rendering. Blender is a 3D application that provides a huge spectrum of texturing, modeling, lighting and animation and post-processing functionalities in just one tool. With the help of its open architecture, Blender animated software provides cross-platform extensibility and tightly integrated workflow. Steps to create 3D animation video online in Blender. Step number 1 is creating a suitable environment. In this example, we have a stage 2, curtains and the character. We are going to add sound, animation and camera movement as well. We will use background textures and other assets in our example. First, you need to create folders to keep your project in an organized manner. Then, open Blender to prepare the environment you have decided. As an example, we are adding a stage by using two planes and we are placing our character at the center. Hence, you will have to use a character rigged for animation. Also, you will have to add two separate textures. Go to Add Plane from the bottom menu and add plane. You can add two planes to your viewport and rotate one plane to use as a black wall. Adjust its position and resize according to your needs. Number second is adding lighting and HDR. One of the most vital tools is creating a good 3D animated lighting. Your objects and images will not be rendered correctly if you have bad lighting. Here we are going to set up a 3D point lamp. For better color effects as well as ideal lighting, make use of 3D spotlight lamps. HDR lighting makes a scene may look brighter and more realized. HDR maps are expensive but they are worth it. They bring brightness and sharpness to the scene. To add a HDR, you have to click on the word icon and add an environmental texture of your choice. Under the color section, you have to click and then open the HDR file. Number 3 is add your character. To import the character that you have selected and add animation, if you have to go file, import and then import the character into your scene. You can move the character in object mode by selecting all its bones. Click A on the keyboard twice to select all. Now let's change the animation view. Number 4 is moving our camera. Blender software treats camera as an object. You can move, resize, delete and animate it. If you want to see where your camera is pointing, go to View and Camera. You can set up your view side by side in the animated video, just like on your camera and set your keyframe. You can move your camera closer to the character and set your keyframe and then move it backwards to the set it again. Number 5 is adding some text. Now let's add some text. Animated or adding text in Blender is very easy. Go to default window, add text and by going to edit mode, you can change the text as well, duplicate the text or add many more functionalities. Text can also be considered as an object. With the software, you can help later change to color and texture of animations and also animate in your own way. Number 6 is Rendering your video. Any animation rendering involves saving still images that are present in your video, and here is how you can render your videos effectively. Make a separate folder for your images and render your scenes as PNG. Uncheck reflective and reflective cassettes and lower the bonuses to minimum 1 to maximum. Use your GPU to render, then check the one you are using in setting and system. You can also use multiple important sampling by finding an option under the word icon for HDR. You also have the use the clamp direct. Number 7 is exporting your video. In the video editing viewport, there is a window of properties. You can export filters as well as frame rate options. In window you will see the frame rate and export folder options. In the output option, you can use H.264 that has an AVI codec. You can also use MP3 format for audio. Then click on render and you will get your final video within minutes. How to create 3D animation video with AutoDesk Maya. Follow the steps mentioned below to create 3D animation video at Maya with AutoDesk Maya. You have to go, number 1 is you have to go the character controls with window and select the control tab to create control rig. After creating a control rig for your skeleton definition, create character representation display cells for FK and IK effectors in the rig. Then create an animation layer after the above step and select the layer editor on the right of the character control. Watch out the layer editor which is displayed at the bottom. Select the animation tab, click the animation layer. New animation layer is displayed. Select the new animation layer. The animation layer is showed as present animation. Go to the right of the layer editor. Control tab toolbar shows keying mode which should be set to be body part. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.